What's up guys, it's me Umair. So now we're gonna play the YouTube video, right? Let me go to YouTube. Let me just search a 4K video because I'm showing you the 4K display. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is the HDR on. As you can see, look at the quality of a literal with your naked eyes. This is the most beautiful display ever I have seen with my naked eyes, to be honest with you. There's nothing better than this amazingly beautiful 4K display. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, let me show you one thing from the history. This one. Look at it. It's okay. Let me put in 4K mode. 4K. Look at the beauty of it. Look at that. Look at this is one of the most beautiful 4K display ever I have seen in my life. To be honest with you, this is the most beautiful 4K. But aside from this, okay, let me play this demo video. Let me put in 4K. It's here in 4K. Come on. Wow. Wow. Okay, this seems quite good, isn't it? Isn't it? Let me take a screenshot for it, thumbnail. The 4K display is amazing, to be honest with you. Look by yourself. The 4K display is amazing. So but I wanna play the 4K video, right? That's why you're here, right? Okay, let me go to the files. Okay, let me go to the discs, videos, not here, videos. Okay, just once. Let me play the video and showcase to you. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of 4K. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.